A resume is a brief document that tells potential employers about your skills, work history, and more. Because it's so useful and versatile, almost every job search begins with one. But even though every resume has its own look and feel, they usually contain the same basic types of information. It all starts with your contact info at the top of your resume. Include your first and last name, phone number, email address, and either your mailing address or just your city and state. The summary offers brief highlights of your most notable skills and achievements. Although it's not required on your resume, the summary can make a great first impression on a hiring manager and may convince them to keep reading. Your work experience is one of the most important parts of your resume. It details where and when you've worked, along with your tasks and achievements. This is where hiring managers usually determine if you're suitable for the job, so make sure you present yourself in the best light possible. Because many jobs have some sort of educational requirement, you'll need to list where you attended school, what degrees or certifications you've earned, and so on. You should always include this section, regardless of how much education you've completed. The skills section can reinforce your work experience by listing any technical or career-related skills that can help you stand out. Remember that a resume's purpose is to grab an employer's attention and get you an interview. That means every aspect of your resume should be clear, concise, and relevant to the job you're pursuing. Creating a quality resume takes time and effort, but once it's ready, you'll be much better prepared for the job search.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.